Evening, just a quick thank you. Another site called Exploring with Pete met me in the pub the other night, naturally, to give me some tips on how to handle my nemesis, the gimbal, and hopefully you'll be able to tell from what's coming up that it is improving. We are making progress at last. Yay! So if you're into these videos where people go exploring strange places, check out his site, Exploring with Pete. There's some really good stuff on there. My particular favourite is the Nuns Graveyard and the Spooky Grotto, which I would not want to do myself. But it's always worth checking out. So once again, mate, thank you very much, and I do appreciate it. And now on with... So here we are, back where it all began, down behind the Queen's. Not been down here for a while because he stopped doing the work while he removed all the asbestos. And guess what? While I've been away, sneaky buggers I've been in, I knocked it all down. So it's everything that I was trying to get a record of. There's hardly anything a bit left now. See if we can get a closer look. You see right the way through to Sussex Street now. Bowling centre's gone, the arcades are gone, nightclub's gone. I feel cheated. Let's get down these steps and have a walk down the side. Also, actually on Sussex Street, the whole facade, been down to use that word for ages, the facade has been covered up. So they're obviously working on that. And I get across without getting killed. At least to get a few more hits, getting hit I suppose. Typical. On. Right. Go. I noticed last night somebody else had put some footage on of this, but he's got aerial views and I still haven't figured out my drone. But as you can see from this, I'm getting the hang of this one. And I think I put a thank you for that on the beginning. There you go, all gone. So now, to concentrate on the erections. Which could be distracting. Oh well, back to work. Let's see.